Hello everybody and welcome back. So, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to use a coax cable toner. So, this is the package of the toner that we're going to use. There's the exact model number right there, and the make. So let's just open this thing up now. So yeah, there are the contents of the package in there. I definitely don't have all of the pieces, as you can see, because you see like this one right here, that says number 3 right there, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, 8's laying down over there, but as you can see, I don't even have the first 2. So, you know, this kit is definitely used a bit, but anyhow, so the things right here that say, you know, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, those are the toner caps. And then this right here is the main unit, the receiver, I guess, if you want to call it. So yeah, as you can see at the end of it right there, it has a center conductor for coaxial cables, or for more specifically putting on a barrel like this, an F81 connector, and it'll just slide right on like that. So anyway, I guess how does this toner system actually work? So, well, first you have to turn it on, and yeah, now it's on, it's just blinking like that. And then when this thing makes continuity with one of these toner caps that are numbered, it will flash. Well, it'll just actually display the number of the cap that just made continuity with. So, for example, I'm just going to slide this cap right onto the other end of the barrel connector. And yeah, that was cap number 3, and it's showing number 3 on the screen, just a solid display of the number, not flashing. And as you can see, the cap is also lit up too. So, yeah, that's the way it works for all of the other toner caps in here too. And then, another thing included in the kit here, for example, if you're just toning one single wire and that's it, when the main unit and this thing make continuity, this thing has a speaker in it and it beeps. So it's just quite literally a toner on its own. Or at least that specific cap is a toner on its own, because it literally makes a tone. So when he's made continuity, yep, just has a solid beep like that. And yeah, this thing flashes or displays the C code there. So that means continuity, or it's detected something that has a resistance on it. So, I mean, where would this toner kit be particularly useful? Well, for example, if you're needing to trace out multiple cable lines at a time, you can go to the end of each cable or go to each wall plate that you want to try to find and slap on one of these caps. So, yeah, and these caps, they can also just slide straight onto a cable wall plate too, because in a nutshell, all a cable wall plate is just the plate with just an F81 connector going through the middle of it. So the cap can just slide on it, just like that. And then, after you attach all the toner caps that you want to attach to each location, then you would go to the cable closet or whatever and use the main unit here to track all them down. Just keep trying all the different cables in the cable closet until you find each one that you put a cap on. So therefore you can label it, you can connect them, disconnect them, so on and so forth. I also just wanted to go over another way you can attach a toner cap to a coax cable. So, you would slide the cap just onto a F81 connector, like this, and then at the end of a coaxial cable, like this one right here, you would just simply screw the fitting onto the other end of the F81. Just like that. And now that toner cap is attached. And then the other end of the cable is over here. So, take the main unit here. Well, first we need the F81 on it. And then, yeah, just need to barely get that fitting screwed on to make it tone. There we go. And yep, that is indeed the cap number right there. So now another thing I wanted to go over is, what if one of the cables that you're trying to tone out happens to be going through a splitter? Like, how would that show up on the main unit here? So, as you can see, I have a cap attached to one leg of a splitter right here. So let's put the main unit at the in leg here. And now you see it's actually flashing a code this time, not solid, and it says S. So, S for this thing means short. But basically another way I look at it is it also means splitter, because most commonly if you see that when you're trying to tone out a cable, that more often than not means it's going through a splitter, and the splitter is the reason for the short circuit. So I guess if you're trying to tone out a cable, and maybe you see that code, but maybe you don't see anything when you try all the other cables, then that might just mean that the cable you're trying to track down is on a splitter somewhere that you may or may not have access to. So that's just another thing to think about when using this toner system. So I think that basically covers everything I want to cover about how to use a cable toner like this one. So, thank you guys all for watching, and hope to see you in the next one.